emergency shelter. I've been there for a while, trying to get my housing, but the other night I got told that I have to leave because I don't have my housing. I am on an assessment for housing, so hopefully pretty soon I get my housing. I hope the city could help all these people that are homeless get housing. Days, you know, we're all homeless, we're all in the same spot.
My name's Dan. I was homeless for 11 years, and the way I got homeless was I was a plumber for 45 years. I got robbed in San Francisco. I was on the life support for 2.5 weeks. I woke up, they said I was a walking miracle, and I had a certain amount of help, and then I was in Spokane, Washington. That was the first day I was homeless.